Most homeowners never think about their roof edges until water gets in. Here's everything you need to know to protect your home. Your roof edge is actually a system. Drip edge, flashing, fascia boards, soffits, and gutters all working together. Their job? Keep water away from your home's structure. Drip edges come in three main profiles. The L shape works for most homes. The T shape kicks water further from the fascia, great for areas that get heavy rain, and the F style handles deeper or retrofitted fascia boards. Aluminum is the go-to, lightweight, corrosion-resistant, ideal for Long Island's coastal weather. Galvanized steel is stronger for high wind zones. And copper? That's the premium choice, 60 to 100 years of life, but it comes at a price. Skipping proper edge installation leads to three major problems: water infiltrating behind gutters, fascia rot, and ice dams in winter. All three are preventable with the right materials and installation sequence. Not sure what's going on with your roof edges? Rapid Roofing offers free inspections across Long Island. Call us or request an estimate. Links in the description.